Alrighty, Steve here again for another analysis video for you for the possible selling of the Aussie yen here on Tuesday, April 9th, 2013. So we'll do some top-down analysis as we always do. And we'll go through and we'll see why we think there could be some selling here and what we expect out of it. So let's go check out the charts here. Alright, so this particular trade is going to be essentially pretty much counter trend. We got the monthly that's still in an uptrend here, but we've arrived up near this resistance area, very, very close to it. And it's had some reactions in the past up in and around this area. So we feel like it's going to be a selling opportunity, but also potentially a buying opportunity at the end of that. So we'll talk a little bit about that as well. So monthly's in an uptrend, but we've arrived at this resistance area on the monthly chart. We've got the weekly that is... We got the weekly that's also in an uptrend, but also arrived up here near the resistance. And the daily also in an uptrend, but still sitting at that same resistance. So what it seems like could happen here, as we've talked about in other videos in the past, you'll notice we already have these multiple 4-hour rejection candles going on. So there could be some selling coming down from that resistance area, and it might take us down toward this swing low, like 103 to 102.75. And then if it goes through that one, maybe another 100 pips to 102 to 101.50, something like that. All right, and then back down in that region, there's the possibility then that in and around this 103 to 102, or sorry, it looks like 102 to 101 area down here, that there could be some buying that kicks in. All right, so that's what we are looking at as a possibility of selling down, counter trend a little bit, and then if it comes down far enough, buying back with the trend. All right, so then just a quick follow-up on the Aussie Swiss and the Aussie CAD. The Aussie Swiss, with all those multiple rejection candles down there, did, as we mentioned in our previous video, did eventually buy up quite a bit. And I think we also, I'm not sure if we mentioned the Aussie CAD in the video, but we mentioned it to our other members for a similar scenario, multiple rejection candles for buying down in this region. And ultimately it did a couple different times actually. See all these multiple 4-hour candles, it bought up nicely, and then it came down here and did it again, and that was the one that went the furthest. So a couple of great opportunities there. I know we mentioned at least one of them to everybody. So with that, folks, let's see what we can have happen here with this Aussie yen. We're hoping for good things, and we'll see if we can get some good moves there. So again, you know, with our members, we show them exactly how to enter these trades and those sort of things. So if you're interested, come check us out. All right, folks, let's see what we get. Thanks.